Alright, what's up guys? Good morning. This is Mr. Kleen and we're on Kleen Media. Thanks for tuning in for another video. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly install and mark your Starlight headlights. My boy, right? Let's go. Okay guys, now that we got our headliner in place, we're ready to start marking it up. Okay guys, I'm going to be using a red marker. And what we're going to do, we're going to divide this section in half. This is going to be the driver's side, this is the passenger side. We're going to divide these sections in half, like so. Okay, so the kit that I ordered, it has 450 fiber optic string, whatever you want to call them, fiber lights, however you want to say it. It's 450. We're going to split 250 or 225 on this side, and then we're going to put 225 on this side. So that would be 225 on the driver's side and 225 on the passenger side as well. Okay, so we're going to jump right into this. And I recommend that you keep a piece of paper just to keep up with how many dots you do put on both sides. Okay, well, let's get started. I'm just going to keep a tally right here. Every 20 I do, I'm just going to make a little tally. And like I said, we're going to count up to 225 on the driver's side for this. And we're at 20 so far. Alright guys, we have 20, 40, 60, 80 dots so far. Alright guys, we're up to 160 now. Nine, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Alright guys, we're up to 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220 so far. So we have 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay guys, we're done with the driver's side. We're going to be marking the passenger side now. This is the driver's side. Alright, let's get started. Alright, we got 25 more people. 25 more. And there you go guys. This is how properly mark your Starlight for your headline. As you see, there is no pattern that you actually go by. You just want to mark it as fit. I mean, you don't want to make the dots too dense in one area and too light in the other. Just spread them out. Takes a little bit of common sense, but as you see, it is not that hard. We will be shooting to the next step.
much into that board right there.
Alright guys, we're back here with another segment of the headliner installation. We're going to be painting it black, we're going to be prepping it, which we already did in the last segment, and yeah, here we go. Like I said guys, this has already been prepped. As you see, it's already been pulled out of the vehicle, it's already been pulled off, everything's been prepped, all the dust has been wiped off of it, there's no dust on it no more. Just to make sure, I'm gonna get a baby wipe and I'm gonna wipe it down just to be sure. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay guys, shake this pan. What's up guys? Okay, and I just want to show you, this is what we're gonna be using right here. Flex Seal. I didn't really want to tell you guys, but I guess I had to. Just want to show you the good look afterwards so you didn't judge. But it recommends to shake the can for about 2 minutes. Just so you guys know, it's super cold out here. Oh shit, hi. Everybody say hi to me. Hey, that's my friend. Alright guys, as you can see, we've got the finished product behind me, and you guys watched the whole situation. You watched it all go down, so. Okay everybody, so now we've gotten it torn out the truck, we sanded the nasty bullshit foam off, we painted the headliner. Now all we have to do is put the stars in, install the stars, install the headliner, and do all the rest of that stuff, and then you guys can see how beautiful it'll look. Aren't you excited? Okay guys, we'll see you next time. Oh, and don't forget to tap that subscribe button. And as you see, we're always playing our videos in the background, so go to Kleen Media, check out all our videos.